Ford Ranger XLT installed Optimus brand Android head unit, 4+64, 9 inches with 360 camera. Optimus brand Android head unit, 9 inches, 4+64. With 360 camera. Yung ating Android head unit, yung kanyang 360 camera, all sides recording. Ayan, check natin. Ito yung sample ng recent recording nya. Then yung ating Android head unit, connected siya sa ating steering wheel control. All steering wheel control nagpa-function po. Meron din siyang offline and online voice command. Yung ating offline voice command, ito siya, built-in siya, meron siyang mga preset na voice commands. Try natin siya. Yan, naka-on siya. Go back. Ayan. Screen off. Screen on. Open the radio. Next drop. Volume down. Volume down. Volume down. Volume mute. Go back. Ayan yung mga example ng ating offline voice command. Pag hindi natin siya gagamitin, i-off lang natin. Then meron din siyang online voice command under ni Google Assistant, no? Kay Google Assistant naman, pwede kang magbigay ng specific voice command. Ayan, halimbawa, ito, I want to go SM Grand Central. Then yung ating online voice command pala, connected siya sa ating steering wheel control, yung voice. Ayan, siya na yung kukuha ng route through Google Maps. Since, ano siya, Google Assistant. Ayan. Pwede rin natin siya gamitin sa ibang application tulad ni YouTube. Halimbawa, play James Blunt on YouTube. Siya na yung kukuha ng playlist ni James Blunt through YouTube. Ayan. James Blunt yan. Then, steering wheel control niya, all function. Try natin. Next track. Yan.
You are on the best route despite heavier than usual traffic. You should reach your destination by
volume
3:09
up.
p.m.
Then yung ating 360 camera, meron siyang auto trigger na tinatawag within 20 kph below. Pag nag-signal light ka, left signal light, right signal light, hazard, then priority niya sa trigger yung reverse. Yan, accurate din yung line natin. Yung trajectory niya, working yan. Yan, halimbawa yan. Then, yung Android head unit natin, meron siya mga application tulad ni YouTube, Waze, Netflix, Spotify, Google Maps. Then, meron din siyang Play Store. No, kung gusto mo mag-add pa ng mga application, download ka lang sa Play Store. Optimus brand Android head unit, 4+64, 9 inches, online and offline voice command, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wireless. Thank you.